Hi. So, when you're looking at a bunch of data, like say employee salaries across different departments or exam scores of a class, you often want to quickly understand how spread out the data is and if they are really unusual values. So, for this box plot, sometimes called box and whisker plot, are super handy to use. So, a box plot gives you a five number summary of your data at a glance. Like the box part shows you the middle 50% of the data. The bottom of the box is the first quartile, also the Q1. That means the 25% of the data falls below it. The top of the box is the third quartile, Q3. That gives you that tells you that 75% of the data falls below the third quartile, and the line inside the box, that's the median, that is Q2, also called the second quartile. It is the exact middle value of your data. So the length of this box is often called the interquartile range, IQR, and it tells you how spread out the middle chunk of your data is. A wider box means more spread. So then you have the whiskers. These lines extend out of the box to show the rest of the data range. But with a catch, they usually don't go further than like 1.5 times the interquartile range from the edge of the box. So, why? Because anything beyond those whiskers is often considered as an outlier. So, outliers are those data points that are way different from the rest, like an incredibly high salary within a department or an unusual low marks scored by a student in an exam. So these are the outliers that are easy to spot using these points that we see in a box and whisker plot. So box plot displays these outliers as an individual dots, making them really easy to spot. And box plots are also great for comparing distribution between different groups. You could put several box plots side by side and say one for each department's salaries, and quickly compare their medians and their spread, that is the interquartile range, and see which department have more outliers. So you can also get a sense of skewness. If like one whisker is much longer than the other and the median isn't the center of the box, it suggests that your data is symmetrically distributed. So box plots are simple to use but are really powerful visualization tool. They give you a quick visual summary of your data's distribution and help you compare groups, and are especially good at highlighting those perky outliers that might need a closer look or might need attention to detail, might need your attention to just look after and resolve any issue within the organization. So definitely a go-to tool for understanding the spread and spotting the odd one outs.